Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to replace the batteries in a Blink video doorbell. It's very easy. All you need is the batteries to replace it and this little tool that right here that they gave you with the doorbell. And if you don't have it, if you lost that or whatever, you can use like a small flathead screwdriver. Will also do the trick. But anyways, you need two AA batteries. If you don't have those, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get a good price on some batteries. And then you're just gonna go in here and you're gonna press that in until you pop and that will pop the doorbell off of the wall. And once it's popped off the wall, then we're just going to turn it around and we can just pop the back off of it right here. And we pop the back off here. We'll just replace it with these two batteries. Pop the old batteries out and pop the new batteries in, and then just kind of do the operation in reverse. You'll just close this, the top back on the thing, and then come back and pop your doorbell back onto the wall. It's as simple as that. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.